So ended up pulling the trigger again and getting another 60 volt 20Ah battery. So you probably saw my other videos. Got a dual setup currently. It is right here in this bag. Actually bought a bigger bag, so battery bag's actually just a bike bag. It's a little bit bigger so it can hold 2 batteries hopefully, but here's that 20,000 milliamps, so 20Ah 60 volt battery. So secondary battery with the original bike battery right here. Currently connected with a battery blender. So the plan is to, since it's the same exact battery, connect it in parallel. I've got a couple plugs, parallel plugs for this XT60 connector right here, this little plug here, and right here is the battery blender port. I think it's like port B. There's 2 ports, an A and a B. Currently one of them is with the bike battery, and current state it will plug in. I have another adapter to go into this plug here. It will plug into this plug to go into the battery blender. So once I get 2 batteries in parallel, total of 60 AH at 60 volts. This battery pretty much matches the bike battery. It's 50 amp discharge with, last I read, 100 amp burst. So should be consistent with top speed for a lot longer. You know, keep the volts up, and I think that'll be pretty fun, just getting consistent top speed. My best so far is 48, I think 48.4 miles per hour. Hoping to do consistent speed, longer duration and distance between 46 to 48, probably average 46, 47. So that is the game plan. It should be arriving tomorrow, hopefully. Everything's delayed in shipping since of the hurricane, but I'll get that hooked up and get a new video started then.